First, confirmation bias. You love a sports team, so you notice every article praising them and ignore bad news. Your brain collects yes and quietly hides every maybe not. Next, the halo effect. A friendly coworker makes one clever joke and suddenly you think they're smart, kind, and always right. One shiny trait glows and colors everything else about them. Meet anchoring bias. At a market, you see a jacket first at a very high price. Later, a slightly cheaper one feels like a bargain, even if it's still expensive. That first number became your mental anchor. Then availability bias. After hearing about a plane crash on the news, flying feels super dangerous, even though it's rare. Dramatic stories stick in your mind and seem more common than they really are. Consider the Dunning-Kruger effect. A beginner at cooking burns less food once and suddenly feels like a master chef, while a real expert doubts themselves. Knowing a little can look like knowing a lot. Now, loss aversion. You'd rather keep $10 than win $10, even though it's the same amount. Losing feels heavier than gaining, so we cling to what we already have, even when change might help. Finally, the bandwagon effect. You buy a trendy drink just because everyone online loves it. When many people believe or do something, it feels safer to join, even if you're not fully convinced.